How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll quickly show you on how you can change or adjust the flow rate in the Creality slicer. So the first thing that you want to do is to just head over to an empty project or to the project that you are currently working on. And from here, you then want to navigate through your filaments. So we can edit the flow rate individually on different filaments. Now, in our case, we are going to edit this red filament right here, which is going to be the hyper PLA. You just want to click on your filament. From here, click on the edit button, which will then allow us to simply edit out our settings like this one. And you want to make sure to enable the advanced option. From there, you will be able to see the flow ratio. This is basically the flow rate in our Creality slicer. So now you can adjust this filament flow rate on the flow ratio, and basically from there you are good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.